Welcome to Kitchen Impossible, the vlog series where I try to make something I'll actually eat. Today I'm going to be using Chrissy Teigen's book, Cravings, and I'm going to make lemony arugula spaghetti Cacio and Pepe. Dish alone. So today I'm going to bring in my cooking coach, Dream Heat. Raheem the machine, Reem the
There we go. Wait.
Woo! Let's go! Let's do this! I'm so excited!
Okay,
Let's
today we
cooking.
got the too fancy spaghetti.
It looks like this, or like at least hopefully it will.
Okay. First thing first, we're gonna need to wash our hands.
Alright.
So you can go first, ladies first. Way up to the wrist, get the back of them hands. Water hot, mission.
You're doing great.
Okay. First things first is we need to boil some salted water. I'm gonna grab the salt. Do it kind of like that. It doesn't say add butter to it, but we're gonna add some butter. That much butter.
That's a lot.
No, man.
Okay.
There we go. If it don't make that plop, it ain't enough butter. Okay, and this you can pretty much heat it up as fast as you want. I say put the eye on about 8. Misha, it's kind of gonna be a while.
Oh. Well, what do we do?
Well, you just wait on it. It's water.
Let's dance!
Wait.
Hey, bad wanna be my babe. Hey, hold me down like the CIA. Hey, side of my car trying to see my face. Hey, want me to beat it like the TIKs. Oh, hey, let this heat it, I'ma be my face. Hey, and best believe it's gonna be outrageous. Hey, can't believe my race. Hey, with you with the Eli face. Oh, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing.
It's boiling.
It is. You're gonna want to turn the heat down just a little bit to about 4. And we can go ahead and get the noodles. Now, obviously, that's too big to fit in the pot. All right, now you're gonna crack them in half. You got it, man, up on it. Yeah. Okay, you kind of want to sit them in there sideways like that. So there you go. Slow. Yeah. Y'all see this? You can hang up it already. Now we pretty much just wait on it to boil again.
We gotta wait for it to boil again.
Again, no dancing.
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to and digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. We ain't finished. I told you we won't stop.
We gotta have bacon.
Bet. I just always lay my bacon
Ooh, it's sizzling.
nice and flat. You gonna lay some?
Ew.
What? Ew, it's just bacon. It's a little
It's so squishy.
slimy.
Oh, I hated it.
You got it. And you see it get all crinkled up and whatnot like this right here? What you're gonna do, you're gonna get your fork and you're just gonna slide it up under there.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna pick it up like so. And you're gonna flip it down. You think you're ready?
Yeah.
You got it.
Just gonna slide it underneath and fold.
Wait! There you go. Now let's do that piece right there, but you want to pick it up almost when
Okay,
when you slide it.
Slide.
There you go. Look at that.
Woo!
Just eye down just a little bit. Slow.
Okay.
You got it. There you go.
Oh, snap.
Now we got our bacon sizzling, noodles boiling.
How do you know if we're done?
One thing you can do is taste them. That's nasty, and they're not ready yet. You got bread, right?
I got pumpernickel.
What the hell? No, Nisha, we need garlic bread
Oven
for
baked
pasta.
bread made with whole
I'm not
grain rice.
finna eat no pasta with pumpernickel.
Wait.
What, you got garlic bread?
No, but I got tiny nuns. Look how cute they are. You should have told me to get garlic
It'd
bread.
just be better off with no bread.
So the bacon's like cooked.
The bacon is cooked and the bacon is crispy.
And the noodles look like noodles.
The noodles look like noodles and they taste like noodles.
Chrissy says reserve 1 cup of the pasta water, then drain the pasta. Ooh, yeah. Oh.
You good? Keep pouring. You can put it back. Put it back.
That looks gross.
It's noodle water.
Add the olive oil, the garlic, the red pepper, and the black pepper to
Oh
the
yeah,
bacon.
we gotta chop the bacon. That's all you do is move it right there. Boom. Boom. There you go.
Boom.
Okay. Just like you did the last piece. It ain't too cute to cut open. You're gonna cut it up as tiny as possible. Slide it out the way this way, out of the bacon grease.
out of the bacon grease. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil.
Is that extra virgin? No sex. Okay. I'm gonna get the bacon and the garlic. I'm gonna get out your way. Got a little garlic on that skillet. Where's my fourth at?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Now.
Lit.
1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and
Okay,
2
well-
teaspoons of that one.
What you're gonna do is you just gonna pretty much eyeball it. Yeah. Just how much you think is enough. Just know the red pepper is really hot.
Oh.
Really peppery is what she said she likes, right?
She said extra pepper to taste.
Shout out Chrissy Teigen.
Cook until fragrant.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
there.
that sounds
Yeah,
good. Add the lemon juice to the skillet. Sorry.
1 lemon. Nah, it's perfect for squeezing.
You squeeze. I worked out for this.
What it tastes like?
Yes.
They about done? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
This is what I want.
Toss in the drained pasta.
Handle it. Yeah.
Add the parm and toss. It looks like Alabama.
It does.
Chrissy Teigen said that Parmesan cheese is cool, but Parmesan Reggiano is better.
So that's what we're
So
going
that's
with.
what I got.
She said.
This looks great. Get
Okay,
it?
let's move it all over. Oh, I do get it. It does look great. Okay, Nisha. Cheese everywhere. I'm not the pan off. Okay, Nisha, you grinding something now? Nisha going too hard with the grater. You being too great.
That smells good. Toss in the drained pasta water.
Just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Bam.
3 cups of baby arugula.
Nisha's so efficient.
I mean, mission.
Yeah, salt bae.
This looks so good. How do you know when it's done?
I think it's done. Is that enough for you, young Nisha? Okay, guys, taste testing time.
Oh man, that's good.
It's really good.
That's so good.
Oh, this is awesome. If only we had bread.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to catch more shenanigans, click subscribe. And if this video made you smile, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, catch you later.
Good sounds, good, that is good, real good.
Oh, that bacon smells good. Hey, can I get a slice of bacon, please? Put another slice on there.